Hi guys, welcome to Aki's Tibetan Cooking. My name is Tsering. Today I am going to show you how to make Tsoma Pama and Alla. Alla is a Tibetan bread similar to pancake. This dish is inspired by my mother. When I was young, I used to go collect this vegetable which grew in the wild during monsoon season. Let's make it. Okay, to get started, this vegetable, we call it in Tibetan Nyari Tsoma, and in English it's called amaranth vegetable. So I'm going to boil it in hot water first. The whole thing. It about 5 minutes, and it doesn't matter if it didn't boil well because you're going to cook it later. Now we will have to squeeze out all the water. This way the vegetable will stay green even after cooking and easier to handle. And then chop it well. Heat the oil. Ginger, garlic, and Emma. About tablespoon. Cook it really well. Once the onions are translucent, then you add salt according to your taste. Some paprika and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then add the Nyari Tsoma. Saute is about 15 minutes. Now I'm adding quarter cup of flour. You can also make it add flour in water and add it later after water. I like to roast the flour so it helps the flavor, enhance the flavor. Few minutes, it will get thicker. Then add about enough water to cover the vegetables. Let it boil. For the Alla batter, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of ragi manja in Tibetan, ragi in Hindi, and millet in English, and also multigrain half cup. Total 2 cups, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of water. Now this has been boiling for about 15 minutes. It's nice. I'm going to use hand blender to make it a little bit finer. Not totally fine, but a little bit smoother. This is the kind of thickness you want to achieve. And then I want to add shiitake mushroom. About a cup. This has been cooking for about 10-15 minutes. Mushroom is cooked now and everything is ready. Looks really good. I'm going to try now. Alla and Tsoma Pama. It's so delicious. Please try.